You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to today's episode, where we guide you through the exciting journey of relocating your family internationally. This week, we're focusing on moving from the U.S. to the beautiful country of Italy. Whether you're starting a new business, reconnecting with family, or just looking for that perfect climate, SDC International Shipping is here to help make your transition as smooth as possible. Moving your personal belongings across continents can feel like a daunting task, but with SDC International Shipping, it doesn't have to be. We understand that your furniture, car, and cherished possessions are important to you, and that's why we offer tailored solutions for both ocean and air shipments. You can trust us to safely transport your American belongings to any city in Italy, helping you settle into your new home with ease. One of the most crucial steps in any international move is preparation. To ensure a smooth relocation to Italy, it's important to follow Italian customs and regulations. SDC International Shipping works with you every step of the way, from proper packing of your goods to navigating custom requirements. We make sure everything is compliant so that you can focus on embracing this exciting new chapter in your life. The Italian Custom Authority website is a valuable resource for the latest information on Italian custom policies. However, we also recommend contacting the nearest Italian consulate for insight specific to your situation. Remember, when you choose SDC International Shipping Expert Packing Services, we'll provide a detailed inventory list for your convenience. While we handle the packing, it's essential to make sure that everything you're shipping is listed and properly documented. This will help protect your belongings and ensure smooth coverage in case of any damage or loss. As you plan your move, don't forget to consider taxes for bringing new furniture or goods into Italy. Certain safety regulations apply if you're using humidity preventative measures for your furniture. And with SDC's experience, we'll help make sure all packing complies with Italian safety standards. At SDC International Shipping, we're here to take the stress out of your move to Italy. Whether it's navigating customs, preparing your belongings, or providing expert packing services, we make sure your transition is as seamless as possible. Visit us today and let us help you get started on your journey to Italy. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next episode. We're going to continue exploring international relocations and moving from Los Angeles or San Francisco to Italy. And we'll talk about how SDC International Shipping can help make your move stress-free.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.